Good morning, children. How are you all? I am fine. I am keeping well by the God's grace. The same case with you also. Now, listen to me carefully during this video. Subject English. Teacher Miss Hilda D'Souza. Class 4. Remember, I am your English teacher. So, all of you, now listen to me carefully. Yesterday we saw that how the man was trapping the small boy in the graveyard on the top of the tombstone. He's taking him and he's asking several questions to him, and he was begging him to ask to get the file. What is the file? I told you yesterday, a rough edged tool used for something or shaping metal, I said yesterday. Now grub is a slang word for food, I said, a slang word for food. So these with that we ended the lesson yesterday, and today again once more I am here for the English class. So now all of you pay attention. Now end of the lesson, it is very interesting what the prisoner convict is going to do with the boy. Now this is a good lesson to all of us to be careful, and also to understand the feeling of a open boy. If we are not often by the God's grace, but this boy is expressing his feelings. We are very grateful to God that He has given us good parents. Now come on, all of you keep your finger, page number 25, and the paragraph is from the last third. Okay, from the last, I think there only I ended yesterday. Now I will read the first that paragraph. Just to look at that paragraph. Okay. I was dreadfully frightened and hoped that you would not drop me. I clung to him with both hands. He gave me a most tremendous dip and a roll, so that the church jumped over its own weathercock. I told you yesterday, weathercock means a device in the shape of a cocktail used to show which side the wind blows. Here we have in our airport many big buildings, any big cities, they keep that. Whenever it happened that you to see, please see to it that machine they keep. That is one kind of device. That is called this device is called weathercock. Understood? Weathercock, that's called like a what is that called, arrows type they have. We have here in Mangalore airport, and we every day see that. Since the airport is close to my house, this happened to see that every day. Okay. Now in this is what happened, this boy is taking the top of the tomb and keeping him on the edge. He is frightened. He is clinging to him, holding him. He thinks that he may fall. But this fellow doesn't leave him. He says, I want to do so many things. Now you have to help me. I am holding. Then still holding that man from the tombstone. It is going on. Still he continued. Now what happened here? Early tomorrow morning, bring that file. Now he is telling, tomorrow morning you bring that file and come. Otherwise, I won't leave it, threatening him. You bring the lot to me at that old battery over there. Now what is old battery here? A fort. Old battery means a fort is called a old battery. If you do it and you don't say a word about me, You do it these things, you bring income, but you don't tell a word to anyone that I am here. I will let you live. Then only I will leave you. Otherwise, I won't leave you. If you fail or say anything at all about me, then your heart and liver shall be toned out. Toned means I will cut into pieces. If you tell me secret of this being my ear, that you will get this kind of punishment. Punishment, no, he may be thinking to finish off him. Now, toned, what is that? Liver shall be toned out, roasted and eaten. You see, he is giving the fright for him. You see, you could have been by now collapsed. Papa is standing, still is standing, still is sitting. Now I am not alone. He is telling, I am not alone. Don't think I am alone. There is a person, companion I have. I have come with an angel, you see. You don't think I am alone, but there is a person also. That young man can hear us now. Oh, look at that young man will hear our conversation. That young man has a secret way of getting at a boy and at his heart and at his liver. Now, this fellow wanted to, what happened? Get him that whatever he is asking to bring and come. So he is telling, one more person I have. A boy cannot hid himself from that young man. He cannot hid. Now what he will do? Now you listen further what is happening. A boy may lock his door, may be warm in bed, may tuck himself up, may draw the clothes over his head, may think himself comfortable and safe, but that young man will softly creep his way to him and tear him open. Now, whatever he may do, that boy, however he wanted to hide, he will not allow him to live in this world. Now he is telling, I want the things which I asked, then only you are relieved from here. Otherwise, if anyone let come to know that I am here, then I will tear out your heart and your liver. Not tearing out heart element and making into pieces, but he is thinking that he will finish up him. Understood? Okay, now next paragraph. I am keeping that young man from harming you at the present moment with great difficulty. See, there is a man. But I am telling him to stay there only, don't come. I am telling him not to come. With great difficulty I am handling that man. So, what you do? You bring the things to me. Otherwise I won't leave you. I find it very hard to hold that young man off of your inside. Now what to do you say? Now I am finding very difficult to control that man. One is supposed to come to help me. Now what is that? You have to tell me what shall I do? Now, what happened? This boy is telling, I am so frightened, but I said that I would get him the. Now, you were so frightened. Okay. Okay, sir, I will get. You don't do anything for me at the moment. Whatever that you want, I will get and come for you. You want the file, not the. I told you rough means edge tool used for smoothing or sharpening metal, I said. That means he has some intention. Now you see. Now okay. Now come to the point. I would get him what broken bits of wood. And I said, I will get the file and I will get the bits of, bits means small pieces like, no? Like that. I could and I would come to him at the battery early in the morning. I said, I will come near the fort early in the morning. I told you battery means there is a port. Early in the morning, not bad inverter battery and all other batteries are different. The lesson it is. So, early in the morning, I will come there with these things. Promise on your life, said the man. You promise your life will be there. Otherwise, you will be gone from this world. I promised, and he took me down from the top of the tombstone. After promising everything, he just let me to down. Otherwise, I could have been there only. Or he could have done something for me because his life is not safe. Now he went on, remember that promise and remember that young man and get home. Now he is going. He has no home. He has to go to his sister's place only because his parents are died. He is an orphan child. So now he is promising, as you said, I will be here early morning tomorrow. So you can have those things which you asked. Now, good night, sir. And he stammered. Like we say sometime when we are frightened, no? We say, good night, good night, like that. No, we are stammer and say, shaking our voice. That is called stammering. Stammering means with our tongue, no, we are not able to say with the pride, good night, sir. Like that, we stammer. Okay, that's called stammering. It is going to be a long night for me, said he. He thought, now it is a very long night to me, now what to do? He looked at the cold, wet, flat, marshy I told you already, a wetland area by water usually covered in small plants, that is called a marshy area. Okay, so in that whether he was walking and telling this, I wish I was a frog or an eel. Yes, if I could have been a small animal like this to go on this marshy land, or it could have been frog. He hugged his shuddering a body in the both his arm, like this, nicely hugged. And after that, what, as a pet hold himself together like lovingly, no, like that, and limped towards the low church wall. Slowly he came near the church wall. You could see that the atmosphere of church graveyard is there, that people are buried, some dry trees were there. So that is the graveyard, means dead people are buried there. And then what happened? He got over it slowly, like a man whose legs were numbed and stiff, and then turned round to look for me. Again he sent the boy, but still he has no faith. This boy will go and tell everybody, and somebody will come to catch me. So he is stiff, like stiff is standing, very stiff, no? Like deaf person. This, I mean, no sensation type. Stiff is standing, and he is telling, and then turned round to look. Again he is turning. When turning means where this boy went or not, to see that. When I saw him turning, I was frightened again and ran home without stopping. Again I was frightened. The what happened on the way? I will, I am frightened. Let me run. So he ran like anything, and he got inside the house. See, that is this is the story Charles Dickens, adapted from the novel of Charles Dickens, Great Expectation by Charles Dickens. So these are the Dickens, Charles Dickens stories, novels. So they are very nice, interesting one, like story type. This is the end of the lesson. We finished. Today is the fourth day. First day I told you the story, and second day I explained one page, and so then after third day another two page, and today half was there, that I finished. Here this ends the lesson. I told in the beginning full story of this boy, orphan boy, and also I narrated more or less the full story. By now you may be knowing this lesson. What is the content of this lesson? You should know the full story of the, whenever you read, you should what is that, make some story of that lesson. You should prepare small in sentences, not in big sentences. You are right, you are a small children, so what you have to do, small sentence enough. You make your own story from this. Own story means you cannot write your own. I mean, pick up some points also never mind. But you write little, write bit by bit, search and write. After reading, you will understand what it is lesson. Now in post and difficult for you, you writing your own. But after sometimes you try. Okay. Now, next comes page number 27. Page number 27. All these word meanings you only read, you don't write their homework. This is homework, HW. Only read. Don't write in them. Now I will read once more. You just listen to me. First one, battery, a port. Understood? A port. Blacksmith, a person who creates tools and objects out of metal. A person who creates tools and objects out of metal. Now, next one, churchyard. The area around a church used for burials, usually full of tombstones. Now, coarse means rough. Convict, prisoner. Convict means a prisoner. File, a rough-edged tool used for smoothing or sharpening metal. Grub, a slang word for food. Marsh, a wetland area by water, usually covered in small plants. Nettles, a weed that sting the skin when touched. I told you, weed means a wild plant growing where it is not needed. Several times I told in the lesson this. Now, nettle one meaning a weed. Weed means this is the meaning. Orphan, a child whose parents are dead. Ravenously, eating fast due to greed or hunger. Tombstone, a large flat stone standing or laid over a grave. You saw in the, it is there, a picture is there in the book. Weathercock means a device in a shape of a cocktail used to show which way the wind is blowing. Wilderness, a natural space that has not been shaped by or lived in by people. Okay, so these are the things tomorrow, and I will give you difficult words to learn the spellings. Difficult words to learn the spellings. Understood now? Difficult words to learn the spellings I will give you. Understood now all of you? Huh? Now, homework 5 lines copywriting. Homework 5 lines copy writing, and learn the spellings of which I am giving you today. That. Only that's much. And tomorrow I will give the question answers. Typed question answer. And I will tell you accordingly. Step by step be outright, not everything together. Today only read the spellings I said of the word meaning spellings. Tomorrow I will give other things. For today it is enough. So once more, God bless you. Have a nice day and stay home. Keep yourself safe. Okay. Okay. Bye.